Hi, I am Dr. Arsalan and today we are going to discuss the glyoxysomes. Glyoxysomes are basically the cytoplasmic organelles. The glyoxysomes, peroxisomes and lysosomes. These are the cytoplasmic organelles bounded by the single membrane, the lipid bilayer, and all of these are resembling in the structures. However, there are certain differences in their functions because they carry different sort of enzymes. So the glyoxysomes were discovered in 1961 by Harry Bewers. The glyoxysome may be defined as the small subcellular cytoplasmic organelles and are of small and subcellular size, so therefore referred as microbodies. So the glyoxysomes are microbodies or subcellular structures, the cytoplasmic organelles. These are present in the lipid-rich seeds of the plants. Basically, these are located in the seeds of plants and seeds which are rich in lipids. For example, seeds of mustard, castor, palm, soybean. Seed of such plants contains lipids or oils, therefore the glycosomes are located in the seeds of such plants. However, these are absent in the lipid poor seeds like seeds of pea plants, which are rich in carbohydrates. So the plants containing the seeds which are poor in the lipids or oils are lacking these glycosomes. So glycosomes are present only in the lipid rich seeds. So this is the site or location of the glycosomes. These are required for the conversion of lipids into carbohydrates. The glycosomes are sac-like structures containing enzymes. These glycosomes contains the glycolic acid oxidase and catalase enzymes. The mechanism of reaction or the metabolic pathway which is carried out by the glycosome is called glyoxylate cycle or glyoxylate pathway. The primary function of the glycosome is the conversion of lipids into carbohydrates. During the seed germination, when the seeds are rich in lipids and oils and are lacking the carbohydrates, these glycosomes are activated and convert these lipids of the seeds into the carbohydrates so that they may provide the energy to the seedlings for the germination into plantlets.